What do you mean boiling?
Look up on that side. Do you know what that is?
Maggots?
All kinds of larvae of different, mostly flies probably, but I think
Yeah.
it could be all kinds of larvae.
Here's a stick. What if your phone fell down in there?
Then I'd get a new phone.
What's up with his neck? Hey, wait, Dad, move the plastic bag to the side a little bit.
Okay. Try. It's hard to fit it down the crack.
Whoa,
Ooh.
that's gross.
Is it, or is it cool?
Both?
I think it's kind of awesome.
Oh yeah, I see it now, like they're inside of the skin.
Mm-hmm. And it's all spilling out.
Oh, they're getting in my eyes. Like flies?
Yeah, try not to let them get in your eyes.
Oh, that is weird.
Oh, there's a bead. What are those things called?
Dung beetles?
No, those
June bug?
like silverfish, but they're not silverfish. They're black. Oh wow! It's just look at that part that's open.
Yeah.
It's just visceral.
There's nothing there. It's just empty.
Well, I mean, it's teeming with larvae, and
Yeah.
it looks like it's boiling.
That's like kind of gross and kind of cool. And really stinky.
It doesn't stink as bad as I thought it would.
No, I know. I'm looking at close up. Hey, Dad,